Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am going to cook caldereta. This is a Filipino food. I can assure you that you will love it eating with naan, rice or roti. Things that we need: green chili, tomatoes, onions, beef liver, beef meat with bones, garlic and ginger. Let us start. First, let us fry or saute the onion. Fry it until it becomes golden or brownish in color. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, grinded tomatoes. Mix them well until all these ingredients are cooked or a little bit brownish like this. Now, add the grind or blended liver. You should actually blend or grind the liver and the tomatoes so that it will give you a very nice taste of caldereta or beef meat caldereta, and cook them for a while. Once it's cooked like this, add 1 cup of soy sauce. The quantity of the soy sauce will be depending on what kind of soy sauce you are going to use, so be careful of that. You have to check the quality of the soy sauce because the quantity of the soy sauce will depend on its quality. Now, add 1 cup of tomato ketchup, but if you have a tomato paste, then that's more better. Mix them well until all the ingredients are cooked. Once it's cooked, you can add the beef meat, which I already boiled or cooked using the cooker. To make the cooking more easier and the meat will be tender. Cook the meat for at least 15 minutes in a medium fire. Just add half cup of water and let it get cooked until the water gets less. Now the water is less, let us add the green chili. 1 cup of beef stock and then mix them well. Let it be cooked, then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This one is optional. It depends on you if you want or not. Then mix them. Be careful in mixing so that you will not be spoiling the meat. Then check it after time to time until the water gets less. It must not be so much in soup or water. And once it's done, or I mean once the water is less or a little bit dry, then you have to turn off the fire just like this. Mix it again, but don't over mix so that you will not destroy or spoil the meat. Let us add few leaves of laurel or bay leaf just to give a nice smell to our caldereta. Now, if you notice, the water is getting lesser and lesser. It's now cooked, ready to eat. You can garnish it with coriander leaves, onion leaves, or garam masala. It depends on what you wish. You can have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video that I am going to upload very soon. Try to cook this recipe or this food, and I can assure you, you won't regret.